Starting with the basics, here's how you can braid your own hair and make it look super neat and professional. Start with sectioning your hair in 3 equal parts, a left, middle and right. Start by crossing over your left strand over your middle strand and grabbing it with your right index finger and thumb. Now cross your right strand and bring it over your middle strand, grabbing it with your left index finger and thumb. Continue crossing over your strands, first the left and then the right strand, till you've reached your desired braid length. Finally, pull apart the braids slightly to make them appear fuller. Now you can incorporate the classic braid into an amazing hairdo fit for the festive season. Here's one braid that always looks more complicated than it really is, but today we're cracking the code and breaking down the French braid. Start with a section of your hair from your crown and split this into 3 sections. Now take your right strand and cross it over the middle. Now cross your left strand over to the middle too. Now move all your strands to your left hand. Take a new section and add it to your right strand. Now cross your new right strand over the middle strand. Repeat this process for your left strand as well. Continue braiding this way till you reach the nape of your neck. Finish off the rest with a simple braid. We've created a low bun hairstyle using the French braid technique, making it perfect for any festive outfit. Today's final braid is a deceptively simple one, the Fishtail Braid. It looks intricate and confusing, but trust us, you can easily achieve this look. Start by separating your hair in 2 sections. Now hold your right strand in your last 3 fingers, keeping your index finger free. Here's where your left hand will go, freeing up your other hand. Now add a small section of hair from your left strand to your right strand. To free up your other hand, move your left strand to the last 3 fingers of your left hand and tuck the right strand into your index finger and thumb. Add a small strand of hair from your right section and add it to your left strand. Now continue this till you reach your desired braid length. This hairstyle can get an angelic upgrade by tucking some fresh flowers into the twists, making this perfect to pair with ethnic wear. Rock these simple yet eye-catching braids with zero heat styling. Thanks for watching and click here to watch more hairstyling videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.